Hey, my name is Keifer DeWitt, and this is my bike check. Just kidding, this isn't my bike. This is my bike. Okay, starting off with the grips, we have ODI super soft long neck grips. ODI bar ends, and then going down to the bars, we got We the People OD bars with them beanie stickers though. I got a Salt Plus top load chrome stem. I got the We the People Scorpio forks in chrome. Got a G Sport Gland Mark II hub guard. I got a Salt hub, and I got a Macneil dub rim. And I got Shadow Little One peg in the front. Going on to the frame. It's an unknown frame, to be honest with you. It was given to me from someone, and it's a kink, but that's all I know. To the bottom bracket, I got a kink bottom bracket. I got We the People Royal cranks. I got Odyssey twisted PCs. On this side, got a Macneil 25 tooth spline drive sprocket in chrome. And then for the chain, I got a Gusset hollow full length chain in green. And then seat post clamp, I got a Verde Cadet one. Then I got a clay
or eclat,
whatever you say. Whatever you want to say. And then a clay seat post, seat. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
You better be.
We got a Salt Pro cassette hub, and then we got a Salt Plus Summit rim in the back. And then for the tire, we got a clay tire, tan wall. And in the front, I have a Fit TA gum tire black wall in the front, which I have one of these for the back, but currently there's glass in it. Then in the back, a Daily Grind hub guard and a Walmart peg. That's my bike check, man. Great.
This is the Keifer's Web bike check, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.
Remember to like, rate, and subscribe.
Okay. You got anything else to say?
Nothing.
I like turtles.